Altcoins just can't catch a break right now. Every push gets slapped down. Bitcoin twitches, Ethereum blinks, and a bunch of alts drop 10% in a heartbeat. Money keeps hot potatoing into whatever launched yesterday, then abandons it by tomorrow. No follow-through, no momentum that sticks. Welcome back to Captain Altcoin. Today I want to talk about altcoins because, let's be real, they've been weak and a lot of people are asking if Altseason is even going to happen this cycle. Quick heads up before we start. I'm not a financial advisor. There is no financial advice in this video. The purpose of this video is to share my thoughts and some data on where alts stand right now. If you like this kind of content, hit like, subscribe, tap the bell, and let's get into it. Now, I get the hate. People are tired. It's not supposed to be easy. This isn't a straight line to financial freedom. Cycles need pain. Capitulation happens. Just ask Napoleon or Roman Empire. And honestly, a lot of folks have already tapped out on alts this year. Still, the context matters. Bitcoin is up big this cycle. Ethereum since this summer as well. So it feels worse when alts can't keep pace. In 2021, most alts smoked Bitcoin on the way up. This time, the broad Altseason hasn't shown up yet. Money continues to get rotated around to the daily movers, even if they just launched 24 hours ago. Look at the scoreboard. Solana set a fresh high this cycle around the mid-200s, slightly above its 2021 peak. XRP tagged the mid-3s this summer, also above its 2021 top. But Dogecoin stalled under 30 cents versus 70+ cents in 2021. Cardano topped near $1 this run versus $3 back then. So yeah, some winners, some laggards, and a lot of chop. Back in 2021, you had long stretches where most large alts were beating Bitcoin. And this time, that altcoin season DOGE has hovered down in the low 20s at times, which basically says 1 out of 5 big alts is outperforming. That's not a stampede, that's rotation and fate. And you see it on the charts. Doge pops, then gets sold at 26 cents and slides back to short moving averages. ADA pumps toward the dollar and sellers show up around $1. Solana hits 240 and sellers fade it. Even XRP, which ran the hardest, slipped under short-term support when the heat cooled. We didn't really have those few weeks of up only like in 2021. Same pattern: push, stall, retrace. So where does that leave us? I'm not here to declare Altseason dead. I'm also not here to promise a replay of 2021. Markets evolve, liquidity rotates, narratives shift. Alts are trash until they're not. Maybe we don't get those face-melting blow-offs again. Maybe we get selective runs instead. But upside can still show up fast when Bitcoin chills and money starts hunting multiples. What do you do with that? Keep expectations sane. Respect risk. If you trade, don't chase green candles on day one. If you invest, focus on names with real liquidity, real users, or clear catalysts. Give yourself room. Low leverage. Stops where it hurts but saves your stack. Yeah, this alt cycle has been underwhelming, but cycles turn when most people stop caring. If and when breadth actually expands, more alts holding breakouts, fewer instant retraces, that's your tell. Until then, patience. Plan your entries. Let the market prove it. What's your read? Do we get the real alt rotation this year at all? Drop your comment below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next one. This is Captain Altcoin signing off.